Question 1. Which sentences are true about cross-docking? Correct answers. 1. EWM does not consider inbound delivery items that are relevant for the quality inspection. 2. For cross-docking, EWM only considers inbound delivery items for which goods receipt has been confirmed. Explanation. Cross-docking in SAP EWM enables products to be moved directly from goods receipt to goods issue without being stored. However, quality-relevant items must go through inspection before any movement. Thus, they are excluded from cross-docking. Cross-docking is only considered after the goods receipt is confirmed, ensuring the system recognizes the stock is physically available. Question 2. Scenario. A consumer electronics manufacturer uses SAP EWM to manage its inventory of high-value items. Which integrated management strategies should be implemented to enhance efficiency and compliance? Correct answers. 1. Using automated systems for batch and serial number allocations. 2. Implementing real-time labor management analytics. 3. Enhancing exception handling protocols for damaged goods. Explanation. High-value items like electronics require tight control and traceability, which is achieved through batch and serial number management. Real-time labor analytics help monitor productivity, reduce delays, and allocate resources effectively. Exception handling, particularly for issues like damaged goods, is essential for maintaining compliance and minimizing disruption. Question 3. Which statement is true regarding outbound process documents? Correct answers. 1. The outbound delivery request is a document containing all the relevant logistics data in the outbound delivery process from the origin of the outbound delivery process. 2. The outbound delivery order is a document containing all the data required for triggering and monitoring the complete outbound delivery process. Explanation. SAP EWM uses a layered approach in outbound processing. The outbound delivery request represents initial planning data coming from ERP or created internally. The outbound delivery order is the actionable EWM document that drives picking, packing, staging, and goods issue. Question 4. Which of the following is a prerequisite for assigning a warehouse order to a resource automatically? Correct answer. 1. The warehouse order must be in a queue with the same operating environment as the resource. Explanation. EWM supports automatic warehouse order assignment to resources like workers or equipment. This only works if the resource and the task queue share the same operating environment, such as temperature-controlled zones or hazardous material areas. Question 5. What key factors should be considered when setting up replenishment strategies in SAP EWM? Correct answers. 1. Historical consumption patterns. 2. Lead times for supply delivery. Explanation. Replenishment strategies ensure sufficient inventory in picking areas. Historical consumption helps predict how fast stock depletes, supporting planned replenishment. Lead time consideration is essential so that replenishment is triggered early enough to avoid bin stockouts. Question 6. Which approach is recommended when managing customizations in a clean core environment? Correct answer. 1. Using side-by-side extensions with the SAP Cloud Platform. Explanation. The clean core strategy promotes keeping the SAP S/4 HANA system as standard as possible to ensure easy upgrades and maintainability. Side-by-side extensions using SAP Business Technology Platform allow custom functionalities without modifying the core system. This aligns with SAP's modernization strategy and is recommended in both cloud and on-premise implementations. Question 7. What is the organizational unit that is used to represent a physical storage area within the warehouse and that has certain physical and spatial characteristics? Correct answer. 1. Storage type. Explanation. A storage type in SAP EWM is an organizational unit that O represents a physical or logical area in the warehouse. O is defined by spatial characteristics, rules for put-away/removal, and storage behavior. It is the most important layer for warehouse structure design in EWM. Question 8. What data is entered in order to perform the availability check? Correct answers. 1. Stock type. 2. Item 3. ship to party 4. Quantity explanation. SAP EWM uses the availability check to determine if requested stock can be confirmed for delivery. The check considers O stock, type, O item, O ship to party, O quantity. Question 9. To which of the following elements can you assign a storage process? Correct answers. 1. Warehouse order creation rule. 2. Warehouse process type explanation. A storage process defines multiple warehouse tasks that must be completed sequentially. It must be assigned to O. A warehouse process type. Determines the type of movement. OA warehouse order creation. Rule defines how tasks are grouped into orders and when the storage process applies. Question 10. Scenario. A multinational corporation is transitioning to SAP S/4 XANA and wants to adopt the clean core approach. What practices should be adopted to align with this strategy while ensuring efficiency and scalability? Correct answers. 1. Developing non-invasive extensions using SAP Cloud Platform. 2. Implementing standardized processes wherever possible. 3. Utilizing pre-built SAP Fiori apps to minimize core modifications. Explanation. A clean core transition focuses on reducing custom code and leveraging SAP-provided best practices and tools. O. Non-invasive extensions via SAP BTP prevent modifications to standard code. O. Standardized processes improve system consistency and reduce testing/maintenance overhead. O. SAP Fiori apps are built on standard APIs and help users avoid custom UIS, keeping the system upgrade safe.